Hello traders, hope you are all doing great. This video is specifically about Sensibull, right? So Sensibull is giving free subscription for options and followers on our request. So if you want, you can claim the request. I'll tell you one more thing. Sensibull, if you go and subscribe in Sensibull's page, it will cost you around 800 rupees per month. I'm talking about Pro plan. And maybe light plan is going to cost you around 600 rupees. Let's say you are going for a pro plan. 800 rupees worth of pro plan is free of cost for exclusive for options and subscribers. So if you want, you can subscribe. But before that, I will also let you know how to claim this offer. So make sure you stream this video fully. And before that, you also have to understand there are many option trading platforms. First of all, if you are an option trader, you have to understand what is Sensibull. Sensibull is an option trading platform where you can track your strategies, you can build your strategies, you can track how they are performing or how they will perform. Now, people ask many questions. Of course, there are people who use other applications also, not only Sensibull. There are many applications in the market, but Sensibull has a niche, or it has a edge, or it has a they have integrated with many brokers. Let's say, for example, if you are having an account with this trading account or demat account with Zerodha, you can access or you can place your orders directly from Sensibull itself. Not only Zerodha, I think Zerodha, Angel One, IAFL, 5 Paisa, ICICI Direct. So if you have all these, if you have account in all these brokers, it is very easy for you to place trades from Sensibull itself. This feature is not available in any other platform. Of course, there are other platforms you can backtest strategies, or you can do many things. But backtesting, I will tell you, I have told many times, backtesting is not as reliable as you think, right? Maybe people can make crores and crores of rupees in backtesting, but when it comes to reality, when you trade live, you tend to make losses. That's why we always say this backtesting is not as reliable as as we think. So you have to keep this in mind, right? So let's see how there are not only about a free thing, they have also given some free features which is not available in any other platform. So let me say, for example, if you go to analyze and if you go to open interest, and if you see weekly and weekly Nifty and Bank Nifty open interest, they have added one very intelligent feature which is not available now. There will be a scrolling bar on the downside. You can actually, the purpose of adding that bar is because you can actually track the open interest, pending open interest time wise. Let's say 10 o'clock, 10:30, 11 o'clock, 11:30, then 12 o'clock, 12:30. So time frame, which each and every time frame you can analyze what is the open interest, both Nifty and Bank Nifty. And also they have added some more features also, I'll show you. And let me go to one of our trade. Since I don't use any of the brokers which are integrated in with the Sensibull, I have to do it like I have to make a virtual trade, and I will have to manage those trade virtually, right? But this is the actual profit. This is the simple strangle which we have taken over the weekend. That is, last Friday we have taken this trade. Yesterday we have taken this trade. And this trade is in a profit of around 6,500 rupees. I don't know what is going to happen on Monday. I think Dow Jones have rallied more than 1,000 points, almost 1,000 points. So obviously there is going to be a gap up. We'll manage that. Now, what they have done here is, if you see the background of this chart, this is the simple strangle. So 17,300 put option, 18,100 call option I have sold. My break even is between 17,057 to 18,342. I have sold 10 lots and it is around 6,500 rupees, and it will cost you around 7 lakhs. This is the live trade which is active in one of our accounts. Now if you see the background, you can see the open interest here. Now you can see that 18,000 is having the highest open interest, right? And 18,240, 18,500, all, even 18,800 is having the highest open interest. At the same time, if you see 17,000 is having the highest open interest, then 17,500, then 17,700. People are writing 17,700 and 17,800 short straddles. So all these things are available only in Sensibull. You will not find it in any other platform. I don't want to name them because I am associated with Sensibull. Actually, these videos and all is sponsored by Sensibull only. We have a close association with the Sensibull. So I can remember one of the guy I told I am associated with Sensibull. He is laughing. Sensibull is a big company. How come you are associated? You are nothing. Who told I am nothing? You know only 10% of what Umar is doing, right? 90% you don't know. That's why I always say don't judge the book by its cover. Anyway, that is a different topic. We don't have to talk about that. So this is a very unique features which are available in Sensibull. Not only that, there are many other things. If you go to FII data is there, option chain. Option chain also, if you go, you can directly buy from option chain. Let's say if you want to buy, let's say if you want to sell, or let's say if you want to sell 17,800 call option, you can actually do it directly from the system itself, right? So if you click here, trade, so this trade setup will come here, everything. Actually markets are closed now. I am shooting this video on Saturday. If it is Monday, maybe you will get all these things, and profit loss table, Greeks, strategy, chart, everything can be done here, right? This is as simple as that. And they have also added some new features, which is that you can add many things like open interest change, then IV, implied volatility, bid offer, show, multi-strike, 100 multi-strike option. So everything, dark theme, if you want to change this into a dark theme, you can change this to a dark theme. Volume, everything is available, and it is pretty advanced when it comes to option trading platform, which you will not find in any other strategy. Then gamma effect, then vega effect, then theta effect. So all these things can be added as and when you require it. And premium futures, these premium per strike PCR and all is not available in any other trading platform, option trading platform. IV spot value, intrinsic value, futures, time value, probability of profit. So everything is available only in Sensibull option trading platform. So I suggest you subscribe this, you try this 1 month. Of course it is free. Even people who troll me can avail this offer free of cost, right? So if you want, you can subscribe the thing. I will let you know how to claim this offer, right? And there are many other features also which we will see in brief. Actually Sensibull is a pretty heavy and very big platform. There are lots of things you can do in this. And one more thing I will tell you about this. Anyway, I'll tell you that if you want to subscribe, I will leave the link in the description below. You can go and subscribe. You can go and claim the free trial in the description below. The links are in the description below. Okay. Now one more thing I will tell you is that, let us say you are trying it for 1 month. Okay. After that you want to go and subscribe. You want to use the full version. Now 1 month you have used the free version. After that you want to use the full version. So how do you do that? For that also we have a separate link on the description below. You can go and subscribe there also. Let us say if you don't want to use the subscription I have given for paid one, you can go to Sensibull also. You can pay there, but that is going to be very expensive, right? So you use the free subscription worth 800 rupees free of cost. Nobody is going to charge you. After that, if you feel it is worth, you can come back to this video, or you can see in each and every video of this options and channel. There is a link on the description below, and you can click on that link and you can get free discounted price at a discounted price. Rather than going directly to Sensibull, you can click this link and you can subscribe for Sensibull Pro plan or Lite plan at a discounted price, right? So I hope I have summarized everything about Sensibull. Actually, I haven't summarized everything about Sensibull. Something which is basically which is required for people, right? So if you want, again and again I'm saying, if you want, you can subscribe. Link is on the description. You can also claim 1 month free of free Sensibull subscription. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.